Favorite part about installing Christmas lights, I've started decorating our house when I was a little kid. It's always been a passion of mine. We've talked about, maybe starting to do other people's houses, but for money. This year we're really going to get cranked up. The favorite part of installing them is just the whole Christmas spirit and the whole Christmas decorations.
Yeah, everybody here is very welcoming. You can ask questions, they're willing to answer your questions, and since it's our first year, it's the welcome that we've received has been excellent.
I come to you today, entrepreneur to entrepreneur. I come to you today, leader to leader, salesperson to salesperson.
All of my clients have always said they love the lights. They're really excited about them, especially when their kids show up and see them for the first time. They're all ecstatic. They absolutely love them.
I would 10 out of 10 recommend this conference to a friend, especially if you were to look into getting into the CLIPA group. The CLIPA group is a family of installers from across the country. We help each other out whenever we need it.
Scotch at 305. What? Scotch at 305. Scotch at 305. Hey man, if you take that away, if that's gonna impact your business, just don't follow Hunter's path.
What I found most useful is getting to know everyone and the contacts and how to work together within the whole, installation community.
Definitely see the industry going more to, the permanent year-round installs and more of the color-changing RGB product.
The amount of information that we gained, even just today, was pretty incredible.